What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down in this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. And today I have a triple unboxing for y'all. Some of these packages have been sitting here for a while. Some of them have just landed like last week. It's only 3 boxes, so it's something light today, but let's go ahead and start off with the fitted hats. I'm gonna start off with this one right here. Looks even better in person. So this first pickup is from Home Game, New York. There's a couple of stickers in the box. Home Game, Home Game. You put that to the side now. Nice plastic bag to keep the cardboard off it. Okay. You can throw that right in there. And this hat was designed by Riance. She's done quite a few hats with Home Game at this point, so tap in with her if you're not ready. This is her Vashti-inspired Diamondbacks. If you're not familiar with Vashti, she did a Jordan brand collaboration on a pair of twos, the lavender twos from way back. So this was definitely nostalgic. I had to scoop this up. I love seeing people pull inspiration from new places, different places, and y'all know I love lavender, so this was a must cop for me. We got the lavender on the crown, purple visor, purple button on top to match. Upside down Diamondbacks front logo. Been a lot of nice Diamondbacks hats this year. Whole lot of silver in the middle of that joint. You have the copper outline, and then there's some purple, of course, to match the visor and the button. Really good looking front logo. World Series 2001 side patch. There's some more copper in there, some more purple. There's a little bit of silver accents. Very nice, very nice. Flat batterman on the back, purple in the middle, copper behind it, tonal New Era flag, gray UV with a black sweatband. What y'all thinking about this one? I think Riance did a very nice job with it. Came out spectacular. Wish I had the Jordan 2s from Vashti to match this up with, but I don't. So I'm just gonna have to find another combo. Y'all can look out for that on Instagram. We gonna move on to this joint right here. Crazy. This hat is crazy. I had to pick this one up. This is a hat club pickup. The whole pack was crazy. This one right here, this is the Sinister Pack app exclusive that was inspired by Spawn, the Seattle Mariners joint. Very dope. Black crown with that dark red visor, dark red button on top. You have the gradient in the Seattle Mariners front logo, which I'm sure they've done before. I'm sure we've seen it on other hats, but it looks phenomenal on this hat. The way that that green starts out as dark and it goes into like a lighter lime green, it's tough. You have the pewter outline, that metallic gray pewter outline, and then the purple, it looks real good on it. 30th anniversary side patch with the Space Needle. You also get like a little hint of, what is that, infrared threading in there. Very nice touch. I love the way that that color looks in there with the green. There's some more of that pewter, of course. Great side patch. Flat batterman on the back, white in the middle, purple on one side, red in the opposite corner. Gray UV with the black sweatband. I don't know what I intend to match this up with, what pair of sneakers, but when I find out, y'all will find out. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. This whole pack, the whole Sinister Pack concept, execution, it was a 10 out of 10. Definitely going in my top 10 collections of the year. One of them is gonna have to make it to my top 10 hats. And I'm already dreading having to make a decision because they were all so good. But I don't want it to be back to back Sinister Packs. So I have to make tough decisions for my top 10 hats. And that time is approaching. So I've already started thinking about it. If you already know some of your top hats of the year, let me know down below in the comment section. Sound off, because I want to hear them. Now that I'm thinking about it, the only thing missing from that Sinister Pack was pins. Pins would have went crazy. Pins would have been really dope to see. I don't know how they would have pulled that off, but pins would have been fire. I did pick up a pair of sneakers recently. These came in like last week and they released last week, so let's go ahead and crack this open. A good old pair of Nike SBs. There's a lot of SBs that's been dropping, and a lot of them have been really good. Like, they're solid colorways. They may not be, you know, colorways that we're gonna be talking about 10 years from now. I don't know. I can't predict the future, but they have been solid. Like, there's been some good things in the mix that's getting slept on or just kind of overshadowed by hyper releases, but that's just the way it goes. These are the Nike SB Dunk Low Electric. dunks that dropped like last week. When y'all are seeing this video, I think these would have still dropped like a week ago. I went back and forth for picking these up, and I don't know if it's like just cracking that box open and riding that fresh new pair of sneakers high right now, but these actually look better than I was expecting. These are clean. I don't know right now if I'm gonna keep them. 100% honest, they might go back. I needed to see them in hand just so that I could like just feel it out for myself. I like the colorway, you know, I like the speckled safari panels on here. I think those are dope. And I've wanted a sneaker with those safari panels on it for a minute now. I just don't know if this is that one. You know what I'm saying? Because off the top of my head, I can think of ones that I would want more. The Atmos joints go crazy. You know, those are coming to mind. Why wouldn't I just return these, put a little extra money in and get the Atmos joints? I don't know. The materials are nice though. The materials are pretty cool. It's got a soft suede on the toe box and the mid panel. Obviously the safari panels are also, you know, suede. The leather black swoosh. These do look better with black laces. I'll throw a picture on the screen. I think these look better with black laces. I like the teal ones. Y'all know I like my colors, but I think the black laces look better in these. There's also a friends and family pair of this electric SB. It's like a pair that includes more of that burnt orange. The burnt orange that's on the sock liner. It has a little bit more of that going on. And I think the mid panels on that friends and family pair are black. So I don't know about this one. I'm not trying to predict the future, but I don't think this is one of them ones. Would I still like to have it in my collection? Maybe. Still deciding. I also do have two other sneakers. One I'm about to do a review on right after I film this video, hopefully if time permits. The second one is gonna come in probably in about a half a week to a week. So both of those sneakers are really, really nice. Like those sneakers have me excited, and I don't really want to chase that high. I only want to buy sneakers that I'm really, really feeling, and I've been sticking to that and, you know, making space in my collection for the things that I really, really want. So these might go back. I'm gonna sit with them a little bit longer, think about it a little bit harder, and I'll let y'all know. That's about it. It's just a quick video on some stuff that I've been picking up recently. I do have some other stuff coming in. There's a package actually supposed to come today, so that's gonna be pretty cool. I have another package that's supposed to be coming in tomorrow. So there is some stuff that I'm gonna be unboxing slowly but surely on the channel. And of course, like I just mentioned, a sneaker that I am very, very excited about filming the review for, coming right after this one. So keep an eye out for that. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love if you enjoyed today's video, and I will check y'all out in the next one.